How to fix cannot send audio messages at this time, iOS 17. So what you're gonna do first is of course make sure that you are on the updated version of the software on iPhone. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna head to your settings and scroll down rather, and tap on your general here. Now, under your general, what you're gonna do next is to click on the software update here. So click on your software update here, and you have to make sure that you have updated it to the recent software. So basically the iOS 17. Now, if you're already updated to that, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna head here to your messages, right? So for example, this one, you want to send an audio message here, but you cannot send it. To be able to fix that is, of course, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet connection, because we all know that especially iMessages really needs a Wi-Fi to be sent. So you have to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, or if your Wi-Fi is weak, then you can go to your data if you have, or your cellular data. Now, the other way to fix is to just simply refresh your application by turning it off and then turning it on again. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, what you can do is you just go here to your control panel and then click on the airplane mode here, and then basically turn that on off again rather, to be able to like refresh your application, and you will be able to fix your cannot send audio message at this time in iOS 17. And basically that's it. That's how you fix cannot send audio messages at this time in iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.